show.
Hi, Connie. Thank you
Hi.
for joining us.
Pleasure.
So, GM, General Motors, came here today to the corporate social media conference. Why this conference? There are many conferences out there on social media. What made this one different and special?
Well, it was the particular topic, the panel I was asked to speak on that interested me personally, passionately, and it's how to get your employees acting as brand ambassadors. I think it's in an area now where it's just now starting to bubble up, and it could explode. And I wanted to learn as much as I wanted to share, so that's why I'm here.
And what do you see? Do you see a need across the board from corporations that's not being met yet in social media? I mean, you guys are all gathered here today, but what's the general consensus about social media and the need is there, a need for kind of an association, rules,
I think
guidelines?
just organically, people who are into social media do a really good job of just networking and finding out the answers to their questions. That's what I love about it. But I think a big need coming up is a lot of what we talked about on our panel is that when you get into these legal issues and these policy and these guideline issues and when are you violating and when should you let people know and in advance or after the fact, it's the whole legality of it all.
Wow. And how exactly is GM approaching social media when it comes to talking to the customers? Because I know that's huge, and customers want to feel like they're important, and they reach out to you in social media. What's the general policy?
Well, immerse and disperse. We want to get people trained and comfortable with using all the various tools and applications and ways you can talk to customers out there because, frankly, it's free advertising, free awareness. It's free marketing budget dollars. And if you do it well and if you do it authentically and honestly and with passion, it can really, really turn a big cruise ship around on a dime for you.
Wow. And also, GM had a great announcement about a couple of weeks ago, regarding the venture capitalist fund and, finding entrepreneurs who can create great new technology, which is very important. We love GM for that. How exactly can we tweet you our ideas if we're an entrepreneur?
You could have tweeted your ideas to us before social media ever existed. We do have a new devices section off of our main website that we're always open to ideas. And social media is just another great way to drive innovation into products if you listen. All you have to do is listen. It's not a one-way push of information. That's the two-way.
Okay, great. And do you have anything to say in regards to, like, let's say this is your one tweet that you have to say to your customers, one tweet. What would you say right now if this is your tweet?
I would say come check us out. Give us a shot. If you're even thinking about a new vehicle, see what's out there. Do yourself a favor and don't just keep going on rinse and repeat with whatever you've been buying. Do yourself a favor and check out everything that's out there, and there's a lot of information available.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
My
That was
pleasure.
wonderful.